Kurt, we got the snow for you in Philly today. It's coming down in the city of brotherly love, and a big game with a playoff feel. The Eagles and the Lions today. Eagles taking the field, and it is slippery out there, that is for sure. It's a big game. The NFL on Fox from Philadelphia. The 7-5 Detroit Lions against the 7-5 Philadelphia. Draw to Joyce Bell. And he's got he breaks through. Nifty running from Joyce Bell. And now the ball is loose. And the Eagles say they have it. And Johnson to the bottom. A draw to Bell. And Bell is wrapped up for no gain. And wait, there's a fumble. At least the Eagles say so. And the signal is Philadelphia football. Fumble again, the 6th by the Lions. Stafford batted in the air. And incomplete. 16 total yards in the weather today. It's McCoy with a big hole in his best to it. Give it to him again. Stutter step. Nice move. Good. McCoy able to cut and has another Eagles first down. Still on his feet. Give it to Polk again. Big hole up the middle. Entire Philly sanitation department waiting outside for the break. Foles on second. Lofting it for Jackson. Is he inbounds? He certainly is. Ball at the 24. Foles to throw it. It's Jackson. Good stiff arm, and Jackson has a first down before he's thrown out of bounds. Eagles 0 for 5 on 3rd down today, and they almost missed that handoff. McCoy on the sprint first down, Philadelphia. McCoy, big hole up the middle and gets tripped. Number 1 in the league on 3rd down defense. Foles throwing far side, first down to Sean Jackson. Time for Foles and a lot of it. Going to air it out deep down the field. He's got Cooper. He makes the catch. Riley Cooper with the grab at the 20. Drafted in the 15th round by the Phillies at one point. You're right, John showed it. Foles on first, throwing for the end zone. Touchdown, Philadelphia. It's Jackson. Stafford tipped at the line of scrimmage, and a big play by Fletcher Cox. Cooper in motion on first down. And Foles with the pump fake. Throws on the run. Cooper has it. And a big play for the Eagles, which should take us to the end of the 3rd quarter. In the game, I think for the first time for Philadelphia, but they give to McCoy. Big hole, and the move! McCoy through the snow! Touchdown! A 40-yard jump for McCoy.
Watch LeSean McCoy. He's going to hide in there. Now come out and hurdle Delmas, the free safety, and take it to the house for the Philadelphia Eagles.
Jackson in motion. They give to Bryce Brown, and this game is tied. Akers, it's blocked. It's dead ball. It's not a field goal. Extra point. Foles going to throw it. Brad Smith. Good stiff arm from Brad Smith to get the first. Eagles at their own 43 on a first down. It's McCoy. Sprinting through the line. McCoy! LeSean McCoy! And we're all tied. Last 4 minutes have been bedlam in Philadelphia in the snow. That's Casey in motion. Blitz coming, Foles. What a catch! 2-point conversion. It's Cooper. It's Philadelphia in front. So is McCoy. And McCoy with another beautiful move. LeSean McCoy can't be stopped.
Talking about it doesn't lend to his style. Well, now that's the LeSean McCoy we're accustomed to. The cutting, the slashing. LeSean McCoy has figured out.
And 96 yards on the ground now. Foles on a broken play has a lot of room to run, and he's got a first down and more. And finally slides down inside the 25. It's Bryce Brown on the carry. the stiff arm. First and goal, Philadelphia. Eagles going to hurry it up and try and sneak it on in. Foles will sneak it literally. Waiting for the signal. Touchdown. And it puts the Lions first and 10 and a fumble. Stafford back again. He drops it again. Eagles have it. Michael Kendricks gets up and going. He is whistled down, though. He is whistled down. McCoy, what a move. Coming near side, diving near the first down.
In space. Boom. You think you have him, and you don't.
Get it off. It's Chris Polk through the line. Chris Polk is going to score. Touchdown, Philadelphia. 38 yards. Plenty of time. Stafford on Crooks. One tipped. Incomplete. Eagles will get it back. It was D'Amico Ryans who knocked it up in the air. A timeout. Trying to run the game out. And they've got a big play to Selleck. And he's going to slide down safely, and the Eagles will run out the clock.
What a fantastic and